What's that saying, folks? If it ain't blowing, we ain't going. You hear me? It's really windy out here. It said it's from 12 to 17 mile an hour winds. But you know me, I love to fish on my days off. So had a phenomenal day yesterday. So why not come out here and try again today? Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Got him. Got him. A nice size trout. Nice size trout. Nice size trout. Nice trout. Nice trout. Okay, guy, get your ass in this net here. Okay, good. Yeah, he had that. Yeah, he ain't good. I ain't letting him go. Good hooked that. This wind, it's hard to feel the bite sometimes. Nice trout. Ow, like bit my leg. Makes that 15 look like a baby. What the f is that? Let that little one go. Okay, nice size trout. Look at this shit. Nice size trout. Look at this shit. Okay, okay, nice. Get the other way. Get him the other way. Oh! God damn! Bro, something just bit me, bro. Yeah. Like not a sharp bite, but like a. Okay, I saw a fish swimming around my stringer right now, just now, and I was like, "What the?" Man, you got waders on. It's not a shark, it was a fish. A little fish bit my leg just now. And I caught that trout right out here. Damn, what the f? I'm not bleeding or anything, but I don't know, man. It was like a little nick at me. Oh, missed him. That's 2 bites right there. I'm missed. Two bites, dude. I've missed right here.
Not that time. Didn't miss him that time. Good red. Come here, guy. Oh, you're in the net now. Here's my stringer. Come here. Come here. Good, we did. I missed one. I had two bites I missed right here. Solid hit. I missed 2 bites right there. Oh yeah, he's keep for sure. I want to show y'all something. Look at this. I love that blue hue and that purple. Love it. So I look, the blue and the purple. Yeah, on my tattoo. You can really see it in that trout. I love when the trout look like that. That's how you do it, folks.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video.